Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be discussing the groceryclaims.com scam. So if you don't already know that this product or this website is a scam. They claim that they give you a $750 Costco gift card, which is very too good to be true, since gift cards like that are unheard of. So even Costco themselves do not give out these gift cards with that amount. So if you ever see something online, guys, with 500 plus above gift cards, please do not fall for it. It is very much a scam. So as you can see, we have it here in malware tips. But before we get into the details, I get hundreds of requests daily to check out products, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes, so that you won't have to wait for me to make a video to find out if it's legit or not. So the link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's read malwaretips.com's review. So as you can see, they have an overview of the scam. So right here, you can read it for yourself. So right here, they also go over how the scam works. So the scam works by scam ads promote groceryclaims.com. Groceryclaims.com claims you can earn a gift card, which is very unheard of or very fake. Forms collect personal information, so you enter in your information, guys, and they take it from you. You are redirected to shady websites with the unknown link, and you cannot read the. For example, you get a link URL link that is very unreadable with a bunch of code. Scammers profit, and you get nothing, and that is basically it. So please do not fall for this website, guys. It is very much a scam. And if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.